10 6.7 Cummins Grid Heater Delete Pros and Cons 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Mishimoto 6.7L Cummins Heater Hose. Tired of that notorious quick disconnect failure point on your 2000 and 7.5 plus Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins? Mishimoto delivers the ultimate solution. Our top heater hose upgrade directly replaces that problematic OEM design, ensuring your engine runs flawlessly. You'll experience rock-solid reliability with our O-ring-less -10 and connection, pre-sealed for consistent, leak-free coolant flow. No more worrying about unexpected spills. This isn't just a replacement, it's a genuine upgrade. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum, stainless steel, and a heavy-duty hose, it's built for extreme corrosion resistance and long-term durability. Installation is a breeze. This direct fit kit requires no cutting or modifications, simplifying maintenance significantly. Trust Mishimoto's high standards for quality and enjoy lasting peace of mind. Number 9. Amazon's Choice Overall Best. Elevate your vehicle's performance with what's proudly recognized as Amazon's Choice Overall Best. This isn't just any auto part. It's a meticulously engineered component, a testament to renowned European craftsmanship straight from Ireland. Its remarkably compact design, measuring just 2.0-inch LX 1.437, WX 3.375, H, ensures seamless integration and hassle-free installation, making it perfect for precise applications. At a mere 0.25 pounds, it contributes optimal efficiency without adding unnecessary weight to your system. When you choose this part, you're not just buying a replacement. You're investing in proven reliability, superior quality, and peace of mind for your daily drives. Number 8. Cummins 5.9L High Airflow Intake Plenum Plate. Ready to breathe new life into your 24-valve 6BT Cummins? Our high airflow intake plenum plate is engineered to redefine your driving experience. We've precisely machined the rear for significantly reduced air restriction, unlocking serious airflow gains. The result? Enhanced engine efficiency and a noticeable boost in fuel economy, putting more money back in your pocket. Crafted right here in Wichita, Kansas from heavy-duty 1/2-inch thick, aerospace-grade USA-produced billet aluminum, this plate isn't just robust, it's built to last. It's a direct fit for your 24-valve 6BT Cummins engine, ensuring seamless integration. Experience the difference premium American craftsmanship makes. Invest in performance and efficiency today. Number 7. Cummins and Ford Diesel Engine Block Heater Cord. Ensure your diesel roars to life every time, even on frosty mornings, with our high-performance engine block heater cord. This direct replacement is compatible with Ford 7.3, 6.0, 6.4, 6.7L, and Dodge Ram Cummins 5.9, 6.7L engines, making it an essential upgrade. Engineered with premium ABS plastic, metal, and 16/3 HBN copper wiring, it guarantees exceptional durability and an ultra-long service life in the toughest conditions. Our enhanced design features secure nuts at the joints for a robust, worry-free connection that won't loosen. With a generous 6-foot length, you'll experience efficient power transfer and effortless installation. Stop guessing, start confidently, and protect your engine with a cord built to last. Number 6. 120V block heater cord for Cummins and Powerstroke diesels. Don't let winter bite your diesel. Our 120V block heater cord is the essential upgrade for effortless cold weather starts. Expertly engineered for broad compatibility, it seamlessly fits Ford Powerstroke 7.3, 6.0, 6.4, 6.7L, and Dodge Ram Cummins 5.9, 6.7L engines across numerous model years. This isn't just a cord. It's a precision-crafted direct OE replacement, ensuring optimal engine performance without compromise. Constructed with durable 16/3 HBN copper wire and robust materials, it guarantees efficient heat transfer and exceptional longevity, even in the harshest conditions. Protect your engine from critical wear, reduce starting strain, and enjoy reliable ignition every frigid morning. Keep your powerhouse purring with confidence. Number 5. Dodge Ram Cummins 5.9 Diesel Heater Grid Relay. on a 1994 to 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 or 3500 with that iconic Cummins 5.9L diesel. You know the importance of a reliable heater grid, especially on chilly mornings. Our premium heater grid relay is precisely what your truck needs to conquer cold starts with confidence. Meticulously engineered to meet or surpass OEM specifications and rigorously 100% tested throughout manufacturing. This relay ensures unparalleled reliability and consistent power to your intake heater. It's a perfect, no-hassle replacement, directly cross-referencing to OEM part numbers like 6.7 Restore the powerful, dependable start your Ram was built for. Don't let a faulty relay leave you stranded. Upgrade to proven quality today and keep your diesel running strong. Number 4. Ram 6.7L Cummins heater hose and delete upgrade. Tired of that persistent coolant leak from your 2000 and 7.5 plus Ram 6.7L Cummins heater hose? You're not alone. Our Ram Cummins heater hose and delete upgrade is the ultimate fix. We replaced the failure-prone factory quick disconnect with a robust -10 and O-ring-less threaded connection, engineered for superior, long-term sealing power. Crafted from premium aluminum and stainless steel, this isn't just a replacement. It's a true durability upgrade. The threaded adapter allows you to ensure a custom, leak-free fit with your preferred sealant. Plus, our complete kit includes the engine side adapter, 90 degrees aluminum hose barb elbow, and clamp, making installation straightforward. Eliminate those leaks once and for all with a solution built to outperform and outlast OEM. Number 3. 2013 to 2018 Ram 3-way heater valve replacement. Experiencing inconsistent cabin temperatures or engine performance issues in your 2013 to 2018 Ram? Our CZTHQP 3-way heater valve is the precise OE replacement, 52014892AA, etc., for a wide range of Ram 1500 to 4500 models, ensuring perfect fitment and restoring optimal function. This critical component expertly regulates coolant flow and temperature, keeping your engine performing efficiently and enhancing overall vehicle stability. Crafted from durable aluminum, ABS, and high-grade plastic, it's built to withstand extreme temperatures, corrosion, and rust, guaranteeing reliable, long-term performance without frequent replacements. Installation is a breeze. Its convenient design allows for quick, tool-free assembly, saving you valuable time and hassle. Drive with confidence, knowing your Ram's cooling system is operating perfectly. Number 2. 6.7L Ram Diesel Block Heater Cord. Tired of your 6.7L Ram diesel struggling on frosty mornings? Our premium diesel block heater cord is the reliable solution you need. Designed specifically for 2014 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 to 5500 6.7L diesel engines. Part number 68223-419AA. This essential cord energizes your engine heater, ensuring quick, effortless starts and rapid cabin warmth even in the harshest cold. Crafted from high-quality, cold-resistant, and corrosion-resistant materials, it's built to withstand extreme conditions and provide lasting durability. As a direct replacement with accurate dimensions and OEM quality, installation is straightforward, restoring your truck's vital cold start function with trusted performance. Power up your Ram confidently, no matter the temperature. Number 1. Ram Cummins Block Heater Cord. Tired of grueling cold starts? Give your Cummins the warmth it deserves with our Ram Cummins Block Heater Cord. Designed for all 1989-2021 plus 5.9L and 6.7L diesels, this isn't just any cord. Its generous 6-foot length, crafted from high-quality rubber, remains flexible and durable even in brutal winter conditions, ensuring a long life. We've engineered the plug ends to be molded directly into the cord, not merely glued on, effectively sealing out moisture and preventing common failures found in lesser alternatives. Rated at a robust 1500W and complete with 2 plug protectors for added peace of mind, you're investing in reliable, worry-free starts every single time. Keep your Cummins purring, no matter the forecast. So that sums up my 10 6.7 Cummins Grid Heater Delete pros and cons. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.